going pretty crazy with all these Wi-Fi gadgets lately, and I actually got started before I started the video, so you have to forgive me, but it's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you what I did to install this. Now this Wi-Fi thermostat is about $100. It's on Amazon. In order to install it, all you really need is you can use some needle nose pliers, get you a smaller screwdriver, and then make sure you have a little screwdriver, flathead and Phillips screwdriver. I always have, more tools than I really need. But anyway, getting started, it's really easy. As far as the old thermostat, in order to pop this off, it's got a button you can see right here. You just push that in and you just kind of give it a firm tug and it'll come right off. And that's how you get the old thermostat off. If you download the app with Sensi, this thing walks you through every single step. It'll actually have you take a picture of the wires and it'll store it for you. And you have to see, all the different letters that are in here, and you'll match those up on a new thermostat once you install that. So like I said, it's extremely easy. The second step after pulling the cover off, you just unscrew these a little bit. Make sure you got your breaker off. Sometimes I assume that's a no-brainer, but no, you really need to have your breaker off, so cut the power to your breaker, and then you get started with, touching your wires and things like that. But that's really it. I'm gonna unscrew these here, and I'm gonna pull all these wires out. I'm gonna take this entire cover off, and then I'm gonna put the other one on. So I'll attach a few pictures, and we'll see what it's done. Everything installed in here. I just wanted to point something out. You can see there's a level on these thermostats, and so from what I understand, this thing is supposed to be perfectly level. So just in case you didn't notice it, just make sure you get it nice, perfect. It looks perfect to me, and just tighten it up. So that's pretty much it. So the Sensi unit pops on a little easier than the other unit that I was taking off, the Honeywell. It's pretty easy to get on. Just gonna line it up right, just like that. It pops right on, slides right off. It's got batteries in it, so that's why it's already got power on it. So all you gotta do now is set it up to the app, and then you can set it up with Alexa, and you can say, "Hey Siri," and it'll turn on your thermostat, or you can adjust the controls and all those other good stuff. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, and please subscribe, share, keep on watching. I'll bring you some more cool stuff. Obviously went very wrong. The AC unit went all the way up to like 90 degrees, and obviously it was on cool, so it wasn't working right. The good news is I've already installed one of these, and I installed it downstairs. So I will say this, in the instructions, it looks like it's telling you to take that orange wire and put it onto WE, and that's what the tag was for, because it came out of W on the other one. That's wrong. That orange wire has to go into O/B. Now, I was using the stickers for this video on this second one, but on the first one, I just went directly off of what I saw on the previous thermostat. So I switched the wire, and now it's cool, and it's gone down from 90 degrees to 86 degrees, so it's installed correctly. Another nice thing about this thermostat and this app, it actually sends you a message and says, hey, your thermostat is 5 degrees higher than what you have it set at. So either the unit is not working correctly, or something else is wrong. So it's pretty cool. I like it. So that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll continue to bring you some really cool videos. Thank you.